you please explain, can we run async campaign on your own async and what are the benefits? Yes. So again, in Scaleway, we have 5 strategies. Protect is the first one of them, and that is exactly what you're talking about. What you are going to do is you're going to run ads for your own products and your own brand name. The way how you would set this up, you're creating your campaign, you're adding your own product, and then you're adding either your whole catalog, either one specific product. And that way you're going to show up on your own listing. Now, this is going to work especially well if you have multiple products, right? And then the reasoning behind this is that you're going to get protection when it comes down to brand strategic way of thinking. This is how you're defending your brand from competitors to show up on your listing, or at least you're going to show up first on your listing, even if other competitors might be targeting your listings, at least you're showing up second place within your listing. This is really important, and we had lots of back and forth with many advertisers who consider that this is not a right strategy, and whenever they were running tests on it, they were saying that it's not the case for them. Our second main strategy is conquer, which means that we are going to target all those brands who are not running this type of ads. And if you're not running ads for your own branded terms or asins, and we have a competitive advantage, I'm going to be the first one who's going to run ads on the product. So that's why I'm saying that it's a protection. You need insurance, not when the accident happened, but beforehand. Think of it as insurance money.